Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to teach you finger painting in a sketchbook and how to paint abstract flowers in 3 easy steps. Finger painting can feel a little daunting, especially if you've never done it before. That's why after posting the finger painting of last week, I decided to do a sketchbook session where you and I can just chill and paint some abstract flowers in a journal without the pressure of creating something perfect. In a journal, you are allowed to make mistakes. So go check out your journal and let's get started. I am using a sketchbook from Debasree and the colors I'm starting with are white and deep brilliant purple. That's the name of the color from Pidilite. It looks a lot like magenta if you have that from any other brand. I also have cadmium red, purple and cadmium yellow on my plate. Now my white is a thick body acrylic and rest of the colors are fluid. That's why I don't get a very thick impasto looking effect in this one. Because it's a journal practice, I decided to do it with my fluid acrylics. But if you want thick impasto textures like the one I got in my previous finger painting tutorial, you can use all thick body acrylics. So in the first step, I am mixing the magenta color with white and creating the petals with each strokes. Now I'm taking out a little bit of burnt sienna from the tube and adding some yellow with my other finger to create the center of the peony. Now I'm adding a little touch of cadmium red to add more flavors to the color. You can use any color of your choice. I created the first flower starting with white and then adding more colors to it. For the second one, I'm starting with bright magenta and the red colors and then gradually toning it down using more white and also adding a touch of purple to create shadows. In step 2, you add the leaves. Here I am using dark green, which is viridian hue, some sap green and yellow to add the leaves by the side of the flower. Just add the basic leaves in this step, and after painting the whole background in step 3, we will come back and add some more leaves on the side. Right now you don't want to add too much because the background can override it. And now the final step of painting abstract flowers. Let's create the background. For the background, I am using aqua green mixed with white. In my previous painting, I used violet, white and black. You can use any color of your choice to paint the background. Just make sure that it complements the flower colors. And that's it. Once you finish the background, the painting is pretty much done. You can see how easy it is to create abstract flowers using fingers. Now I'm going to add some more strokes to the flowers to define it a bit more and add some final touch-ups to the whole painting. So try it out using your favorite colors and create an abstract floral painting. Do it on a sketchbook first, and then once you get the confidence, you can create it on a canvas. And let me know how it went. If you enjoyed watching, do give this video a thumbs up because it really encourages me to know that you're liking my content, and subscribe to my channel because you don't want to miss out on all the art inspo coming your way. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.